western St. Louis County until 5 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Burns Mill, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Burns Mill, Pine Ridge, House Springs, and Pacific around 4:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm. This includes the following state parks. This includes State 44 in Missouri between exits 61 and 269. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds.